Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is February the 15th, Thursday morning, and as you guys can see, our account is sitting at $48,542 as of this week. This week been actually pretty tough. I have not taken any trades yet. There was stuff going on with my account that I have to deal with, so I ended up not being able to trade this whole week. Basically, I missed out on 3 days of potential profit, but every day I was on the market, just wasn't able to trade. But yeah, with that being said, as you guys can see, our account is sitting at 48,542. We are about 500 away from our goal, so it's been a pretty tough week. So to show you guys that I'm not just out here sitting and bullshitting you guys, let me show you guys live in my account. We're gonna go ahead and do so from this Monday to today, which is the 15th, we're gonna go ahead and download that, and then we're gonna go ahead and upload our trades into TradeZilla, and then you guys will see that I have not taken any trades this whole week. As you guys can see, Monday, that's when I found out that I wasn't able to trade. So as you guys can see, Monday to almost $3 loss, which is basically me trading shares because I was just trying to test it, see what's going on, but it was not letting me trade options. So I had to get in contact with interactive brokers and go through that whole process. But as you guys can see, pretty much no trades all week. And I was coming off of a really nice week last week, even though I was kind of over trading. I had a really nice trade last Tuesday, really nice trades on Wednesday, kind of a little bit over traded on Thursday, and then as well as last Friday. But this whole week been kind of very dry. I mean, yeah, just like you guys seen. But yeah, hopefully I did receive an email this morning saying my account is ready and set to go. So hopefully we get some good trades in this morning. But yeah, with that being said, let's get right into our watch list. Alrighty, as you guys can see, I got Tesla, Nvidia, Meta, and Uber, and AMD here on the watch list. As you guys can see, Tesla here on the daily chart. Tesla had gapped down about 2-3 weeks ago and kind of been trading in that range of 195 and that 180-ish. And as you guys can see, we are seeing some momentum here towards the upside. We retested that 180 key level. That 180 key level here last 2 weeks ago or so, rejected off that, and once again we rejected off that. So what I'll be looking for is, if we do see some momentum here towards the upside, I'm looking for a break of that key level basically. So I would like to see this retest that, get a break, and possibly fill this gap that we do have, if not today, but sometime this tomorrow or next week. But that's pretty much the game plan on Tesla. Next we got Nvidia. Nvidia been extremely bullish, as you guys can see. Had that little nice pullback. We rejected off that level and we started seeing some momentum here towards the upside. And if you guys can see here on the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see that we are basically sitting right below that all-time high. So here in pre-market and after hours, we're kind of been just consolidating in this range. I'm looking for a break at that pre-market high as well as that yesterday's high. I would like to see this come down, retest that pre-market low, and we start seeing some momentum here towards the upside, possibly making a new all-time high. So it's pretty much the game plan here on Nvidia. Everything looking pretty bullish here for the most part. Same game plan on Meta as well. As you guys can see, Meta had that nice pullback. Once again, rejected off that level, and now we start seeing some momentum here towards the upside. I would like this to so we do have some level here around that prior day high, But the good thing is that pre-market here, we gapped up and we are holding that prior day high. So I'd like to see this retest that off the open and then start squeezing here towards the upside and possibly making a new all-time high. So that's pretty much the game plan on Meta. Next we got Uber. As you guys can see, had a really nice $10 gap here yesterday. So it's been very bullish, made a new all-time high at $79. But yeah, so looking pretty nice. What I'll be looking for is that pretty much kind of been consolidated, got above that pre-market prior day high, kind of been consolidating in that range. So what I like to see this is basically retest this 77 key level, and we start squeezing here towards the upside and making a new all-time high. So that's what I'll be looking for here on Uber. And lastly but not least, we got AMD. So AMD, as you guys can see, kind of been consolidating in this range for the past couple of weeks here, after we made a new all-time high between that 166 and that 180-ish key level. As you guys can see, we have squeezed up and we are kind of approaching that 180-ish key level. And as you guys can see, pre-market here, we rejected off that level right here, and we start seeing some momentum here to the downside. What I'll be looking for is, if it holds strong up that key level, that pre-market low, I'd like to see this pull back here towards the upside. Once we start breaking above that 179-ish, we possibly will break above that 180-ish and start squeezing here towards the upside, if the market is obviously bullish. And if that happens, then either today or tomorrow or next week, we might see some all-time high break. So depending on how strong the momentum is, we will see how that goes. But with that being said, market is gonna open here shortly, and I'll see you guys in a moment. All right, I'm in there 3 contract at 484, looking for a break of that pre-market high as well as that today's high. We do have a room up to that 485, the all-time high. So we'll see how that goes. There we go. We're starting to pick up some momentum here on QQQ as well. Market selling off pretty aggressively. I don't like that pullback. We might be getting stopped out on this trade. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and exit there. We're out at 407, all 3 contract. Wow, what a sell-off. All right, I'm in there 3 contract once again at 478. I'm looking for that break. I'm trying it once again. I do like that we are picking up some momentum here on SPY and QQQ as well here towards the upside. We might have found the support on the day, so now we just got to get going. Looking for a break at that open high at 478. Looking for a little nice squeeze. That would be nice. I mean, it's been holding that pre-market as well as that yesterday's low very strong, even though QQQ was selling off aggressively. So that was a pretty nice sign. All right, here comes that break. Looking for some continuation here. Hesitating. I'm looking for some continuation here. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and sell 2 into the strength. So pretty much break even on that one. Still do have one more contract left. Now I'm basically in position of power, so how much can I really maximize from this profit, from this trade basically? So okay, we do have a room up to that 485-ish. As you guys can see, we do have all time at that 485. We possibly might not get there today, obviously, but this last contract, I'm gonna just go ahead and let it ride out and see. Or it's either gonna be a break-even trade, or we might see some nice profit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sell into the strength there. I'm all out. We're up 200 on that trade, so basically we were down 200 and some change, got that profit back, and then we're up on the. All right, I'm in there 2 contract at 145, looking for a break of that 176. We do have a room down to that 174-ish, so let's see. Alright, I just exited. I'm all out there. Took a L on that one, $65. Not the best entry. Looks like we prematurely entered that trade, but yeah, we're all out. We'll see if it resets. Alright, meta looking nice, picking up some momentum here. All right, here comes meta. I'm in there 3 contract at 684. Looking for a break of that. We do have room up to that 485 all-time high. Maybe we'll possibly get a break of that today, but we'll see how that goes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sell into the strength. I'm all out there at 763. Could have held it a little bit more, but honestly just wanted to sell into the strength. I've been holding this for quite a while now. Oh man, what the fuck? So basically 3 for 3 on the day. No, 4 trades on the day. So first trade, we took a loss on that one, about 200 on meta. Came back the next one, I believe we made over 4 something on that trade, and then we took a small loss on AMD. And then this last one, we made about 300 or so trade profit on that one, so not a bad trade at all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I feel like I over traded today, looking for a big winner coming off that last week and not being able to trade this whole week. So I need to kind of slow it down. I mean, I try to slow it down, but I just end up over trading. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and size down next week and just kind of focus more on the execution rather than the dollar amount. But definitely gonna go ahead and call it a day this morning. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.